Everybody, today in part second of determinant, we will discuss minor, cofactors and singular matrix. First of all, I'll let you know what is the meaning of minor. If we have a square matrix A, then we can calculate the minor of each element. And the minor of each element is given by the value of determinant by deleting the corresponding row and column. Now look at this thing. We will take this part with one example. Suppose we have a square matrix of 3 by 3. 1, 3, 4, 0 to 1, 1 to 3. Now look at this thing. How many elements are there? 9. It means we can calculate 9 minors. Now this is A11. It means M11 is calculating by eliminating first row, because this is first row, first column. The remaining part, the value of that determinant, it means 2, 1, 2, 3. Now calculate this thing. What will come? 2, 3 is 6 minus 2. It means this is 4. Second minor, M12. It means first row, second column. First row, second column. What determinant will left? 0, 1, 1, 3. It means this become 0 minus 1. It means this is minus. In the same way, if we will calculate M13, how will we calculate? First row and third column. It means this is 0, 2, 1, 2. It means what will be the resultant? 2 into 0, 0 minus 2. It means this is equals to minus. Similarly, we can calculate M21. Now M21 means second row, first column. If we will eliminate this thing, then what will be the left part? 3, 4, 2, 3. It means calculate this determinant. This will come 1. Similarly, M22 means second row, second column. What will left? 1, 4, 1, 3. Calculate this thing, minus 1 will come. Similarly, M23, M31, M32, M33. It means if we have a 3 by 3 square matrix, then we have 9 minors for each element. In the same way, we will get 9 cofactors for each element. But for cofactors, we have to apply simple rule. Look at this thing. In short form, I am explaining Aij. It means this cofactor is calculated by minus 1 raised to power I plus j into Mij. It means minor as it is chalenge, and then minus 1 raised to power this number of rows plus number of columns, whatever the resultant will come. It means what is this cofactor? C11 minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1. What is this? Even. It means C11 4. In the same way, C12. What is this? C12 1, because minus 1 into 1 1. In the same way, C13 minus 2. In the same way, C21 means minus 1. C22 means minus 1. C23 odd, that's why this become 1. In the same way, C31 means minus 5. C32 means minus 1. And C33 means 2. I am writing is C11 here Aij. Normally we can write down Aij or Cij. Meaning is same. Both terms is representing cofactors. Now look at this thing. If we have a 2 by 2 square matrix, then we can easily calculate the corresponding determinants. Now how many elements are there? 4. It means there will be 4 minors. Now look at this thing. M11. It means eliminating first row, first column. What is a single element? This is the determinant, that means 9. In the same way, M12 means first row, second column. What is this? 5. M21, second row, first column. What is this? 2. M22, it means second row, second column. It means what is left? 1. These are the minors. Now cofactors, it means C11. 11 means minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1, 9 only. C12 odd, it means this minus 5. C21, it means what is this? Odd, minus 2. And C22, it means this is 1. So this is the way to find out the minors and cofactors of 2 by 2 square matrix. Now I am explaining. These rules are very important, which is in the form of note. Now look at this thing. If we know the, for any row or column, for this row these are the elements and these are the corresponding cofactors. If we will multiply each element with corresponding cofactors and add on for any row or column, then we will get the value of determinant. Now look at this thing. Value of determinant A for first row, 1 into 9, 9 plus 2 into minus 5. It means 2 into minus 5, 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. This is the one way. हमने first row के along किया. We can do same thing for along the second row also. Now look at this thing. 5 into minus 2 plus 9 into 1. It means what is this? Minus 10 plus 9. What this become? Minus. And if we will think about the yesterday lecture on the basis of this thing, 9 minus 10, what is this? Minus 1. So this is the way to calculate the value of determinant if we know the corresponding cofactors. Now second rule, very important. Please keep in your mind. Look at this thing. मान लीजिए हमारे पास ये फर्स्ट रो है, लेकिन हम इनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग सेकंड रो के कोफैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करके एड ऑन करते हैं, देन द रिजल्ट इज ऑलवेज 0. लुक एट दिस थिंग. फर्स्ट रो इट मींस 1 और हमने सेकंड रो का क्या लिया? कोफैक्टर. व्हाट इज दिस थिंग? -2 प्लस 2. सेकंड रो का कोफैक्टर कितना लिया हमने? 1. 2 into 1. It means -2 plus 2. Resultant is 0. So this rule is saying, second rule, if element of a row or column, this thing we can apply in column also. If elements of a row or column are multiplied with cofactors of any other row or column, then their sum is 0. So these two notes are very important. You have to keep in your mind. Now singular matrix. In simple way, if I'll explain you this thing, if we have a square matrix A and the corresponding determinant is 0, then the given matrix is known as the singular matrix. And if the corresponding determinant is not equals to 0, it means that is not a singular matrix. Suppose I am taking this part A, this is 1, 2, 0 and this is -1. Now corresponding determinant I will calculate. 1, 2, 0, -1. Now what is this? -1 and -0, -1. Because determinant is not equals to 0, that's why here the matrix A is non-singular matrix. For singular matrix, determinant should be 0. So on the basis of this thing, please calculate these questions, and for this 1 to 3 questions, you have to give your answers in comment box. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share it. Thanks.